Hi everyone! In this video we will find continuous growth and decay. In 1980, a club had 500 members with an annual growth rate of approximately 12% compounded continuously. How many members are there in 2023? The first thing we need to find is how many years it was between 1980 and 2023. So we'll take 2023 and subtract 1980. Giving us a total of 43 years. And we know that it was compounded at 12%. Changing this to a decimal will move the decimal 2 place values to the left, which makes it 0.12. And compounding continuously tells us that we don't use the compound interest formula, which is A equals P times 1 plus R over N to the NT, but that we use a new one called PERT. The amount final equals the amount principal times e to the RT, or simplified as PERT for the mnemonic. Because we were given all of these for the equation in the application problem, we can just substitute what we have into it. We're looking for the final amount, so we'll write A equals P is the principal or the initial amount, so in this case 500 members was the initial amount, times e to the r is the rate, and we change the rate to a decimal, so it's 0.12, times t, which is the number of years, in this case 43. Typing this into my calculator, I will type 500. I don't need to put a multiplication for a graphing calculator, so I can just state, and then second, the top left-hand button. E is the LN button, which is the second from the bottom on the left. And then depending on your calculator, it'll either open a caret and open a parenthesis, or it will automatically put it up into the exponent, depending on your version of the graphing calculator. If it opens up or if it goes into the exponent, you don't need to do anything beyond that other than typing in decimal 12 for the rate of 0.12. You will need to put a multiplication sign here, times 43. If you have a calculator that opened a parenthesis, you'll need to close it. If it simply put it up into the exponent, then you're fine and you don't need to. At this point, we press enter and we'll get 87,082.2. And because this is dealing with people or members, we're going to go ahead and round this to the nearest person since we aren't going to have 0.2 of a person. And so we have 87,082 members. And we're all done.